Hello, welcome back to the channel. On this video we're going to be fitting the Renault Elf rear decals that should be here on the rear screen. Mine is missing, but it would have been there from new. They all had them from new, all cars. I fitted one on the Williams, or the Williams has got one, and all Mk1 Clios should have those fitted from the factory. A lot of them have been removed, but this is actually a sponsored video. These have been kindly sent by Northy off the Williams groups, the Mk1 Clio and Williams groups. He is the guy that actually has these manufactured now, these replicas, and they're absolutely spot on to the original. They really are. Only difference is the originals would have been full sticky. These ones are reusable, but it does give a much more authentic appearance apparently. So we're going to give it a go, pop them on. If you get it wrong, you can take it off and put it back on. You know, that's the beauty of these. So anyway, first things first, going to clean the glass. I use Autogum Fast Glass, and then we'll get on to popping one in, see how we get on. And there you go, nice clean screen. As you will see, I have cleaned it on both sides just so I can doubly make sure it's nice and clean before I put the decal on. Yeah, just used a microfiber cloth, and as I say, the Autogum. Love that stuff, it's good stuff. Anyway, the actual sticker itself, or the decal, it's not really called a sticker, isn't it, because it's got no sticky on, but the quality and the print is absolutely brilliant, absolutely perfect. So anyone thinking of getting these, 100%, they're so good. So yes, I'm going to pop you back on time lapse, get all this lined up and get it stuck in. As you can see, pretty happy with the placement of that. And they do actually look just like the originals. You don't want to press too hard, because obviously this is just white print and you can end up, you don't want to scratch the print off the actual sticker itself, but there you go, look at that. I'll just use the microfiber nice and gently. There you go. Don't want to rub it too hard. But there you go, fitted. Now obviously I will rub it down a bit more, but I must admit I am very pleased with that. Very, very pleased with that. Let me just move these out of the way. There you go. One quick video on the fitting of the Renault Elf sticker. But I've got to say, that looks absolutely brilliant, and they are very, very, very close to the original. So yeah, anyone needing to replicate those, get yourself in touch with Northy. I will put the link to his eBay link down in the comments, in the description. I'll put his eBay link there, where you can find them, and I think you won't be disappointed. So yes, thank you Northy, good job on the stickers.